Hey everyone, it's Ashwin from ATFA Academy, and today we are going to be talking about credit score basics and how you can use a credit score to help you build wealth for years to come. And it's such a crucial part in helping you live a more rich and fundamental life. But because the truth is, you need a credit score for anything, ranging from loans, getting a credit card, getting business loans, home loans, car loans, all these different types of loans, you they check your credit score, and that's why it's so important to start building it up at a young age, which is what we're doing here at ATFA. So we're gonna do a lesson walkthrough for Credit Score Basics Part 1 by yours truly, the Ashwin Teen Financial Academy on atfaacademy.org. Check it out. But let's go on to the first question. What is a credit score? Okay. So a credit score is, I like you to think about it as a scale from 300 to 850 typically, where who you are, no matter who you are, everyone starts at 300. And this can continue to go up and fluctuate depending on how reliable you are. So let's read the first few options, and then I'm gonna tell you a really good sort of way to remember how to be more responsible with your credit score. So let's start off with the first option. Three-digit number generated by a mathematical algorithm using info from your credit report to predict risk. This is a very solid answer. A credit report has all sorts of information on how valuable you're like are how responsible are you paying off your payments? Are you like being responsible with your credit score? It assesses everything, purchases, your credit utilization, that type of thing. So let's read the next option. Contains your credit history from numerous sources such as the bank, credit, card companies, agencies, etc. also used to generate credit score. Okay, so we automatically know this can't be it because it says use to generate credit score. We're talking about what is a credit score. So the reason we decided to go multiple choice is because the any good diligent investor goes through all the information. Then they make the best choice. Similarly to a multiple choice question. So by doing our quizzes, our lessons and all, you're getting real experience in the real world, believe it or not. That's how good we are. And three, harder to rent an apartment. High interest rates can be get denied for employment. Difficult. Nope, that's more of the negatives if I'm defaulting or whatever. And then for D, borrowed money that you can use to purchase goods and services when you need them. That's definitely not it. So that leaves us with our only answer being A. Okay, let's go on to the next question. How can a good credit score save you thousands for long-term credit and be an asset? This is what I was talking about earlier. Already setting yourself up early is going to have is going to save you so much money in years to come and be truly an asset. So let's read the options. So, paying bills on time, steady employment, using 25% or less available credit, don't max out credit cards. This is more of ways to promote your credit score, not necessarily answering the question. Two, your credit history, how much money you make, how much credit you already have, and how much you're using. So, definitely not it. Because once again it has nothing to do with the question. And then three, a low score can thrust you into the financial abyss of the market, costing you lots in added interest over the life of a car loan or mortgage. Okay, so it's like a hole. Abyss is like a hole. So a financial hole of the market, a deep hole. So this is why it's so bad because it could the more higher your credit score is, the more likely banks and everything and people who provide loans, they will give you, because they see you're more responsible, then you get an additional advantage of having lower interest rates. So that's really how you can save so much money by just doing that. And I want to go more into an example, but let's just read the last option just to ensure that we're choosing the right answer. One, skipping rent payments, paying bills late, foreclosure. Definitely not. This is how you decrease your credit score. You destroy it. So what I want you to think about when we talk about a low score costing you lots and like a good credit score, I want you to think it like your bank provider. Let's say this is the bank. Mind my draw. Please don't mind my drawing. This is the bank. And let's say I'm just gonna name it bank. Sorry, I'm not. It's already taking too much out of me to draw this picture. So, so this bank, I want you to think about it like your parent. When it gives you a credit card, the bank is sort of trusting you that you're going to use it responsibly. And that's why at first, like a child, you're gonna have limitations, like a credit limit. You're going to you're gonna have to have probably higher mortgage, higher interest rates. So, and you start off at a lower credit score, let's say 300. So, but it's only as you continue to pay that off reliably, pay off, pay off, pay off, pay off at the end of month, end, let's put end of month, that you start to build responsibility. Responsibility goes up, just like a parent at first holds your hand and all. That's what happens when you're having a credit card. And then as time goes on, you, like you show you're more responsible, just like a parent, then the parent starts to give you more freedom. And that leads to maybe you going to 600, and it continues and continues, and you can go, and then this extra freedom comes with a lot of rewards, just as this. So I want you to think about it. When you get that credit card, that that credit card provider is your parent, and your job is to show your parent that you're responsible, that you can handle having this privilege, and then only and only then you show that responsibility, then you're going to get rewarded by getting a higher credit score and getting more freedom. So that's the way I want, because in ATFA we try to break down concepts into simple and easy ways. Other than that, I like to keep these videos short. I think you got the concept, and I'm confident you can answer the rest of our questions at our credit course at atfaacademy.org. Definitely check it out. Learn about your credit, build a better future, and I'll see you all on the next one. Thank you.